So YouTube, man, today we'll be changing out the door handle. I ordered a new door handle from Amazon and we got it right here. All you really gonna need is 10 to get the, I don't know if y'all can see it, get the screws out, but we gotta take the door off too. So let's take the door off. First, I'm gonna go with, oh Lord, hopefully I can see good. I'm gonna go with taking these off. Sometimes you gotta be gentle so you don't break nothing. But we're just gonna take this off and throw it to the side. Take this off, throw it to the side. Take that off, throw it to the side. I'm gonna take this off, throw it to the side. After that, you got the lift. I'm gonna see, I'm gonna bring it out somewhere. There we go. You gotta lift up on the door. And it comes straight off. It's straight off, chat. Now we can get down to business. Get that 10. Oh, that tighten it. It's already kind of loose. You probably need a lot. These how the screws look. You probably need not a ratchet. I forgot the name of it. But let me see. It's another one right there. I'm gonna need a longer one, chat. So what we gonna do is I'm gonna pause it and we're gonna go get a one of these tools, a wrench. Yeah, a wrench. We're gonna go get a wrench so it'll be easier. I'll be right back in 2 seconds. Not one. Are we even gonna be able to find one? That's a 15, 14. We'll find a 10. And we're gonna take this. I'm gonna take this just in case. If y'all need some tires, man, hit me up too. Alright. So I'm gonna use this first. Then I'm gonna get the other one. It'll be a lot easier if I just use this first. All the screws are in here, one over here somewhere too. But we got the other screw off. Now you can use this tool. Let me see if I can find it. Up here. I don't know if y'all can see that, so bear with me. It's not hard to take off your doorknob if somebody trying to take it out themselves. So boom. Let me fix it. Somehow it stopped recording, but again, the screws are behind the door and this come out. And then you got a latch right here. I'm trying to get y'all to see that green latch right there. You pull the thing up like that. Be gentle because you can break them. but I didn't break it. But that's just for the old one. I am gonna have to take this off. My key shit, I think. See the new one. I'm kind of confused, chat. Let's see if they sent me the right one. Don't think they sent me the right one. Hold up, man. Everything fit, but I didn't get the right one. That's crazy, man. Oh my goodness. They didn't send me the right one, so this video will be continuing. So man, I figured it out. That's why you're never supposed to give up, man. I figured it out. This was hiding that piece right there. I know it's a little glare. Let me see if I can fix it. That little piece was hiding up there. And I put the key switch in. So all you gotta do is snap. If I can get it in. I think I need to snap the top piece in first. I know y'all can't see just yet, but hold up, let me break it back. Inside the door, I snapped those pieces in. I ain't want to break nothing, so we're just gonna go ahead and sit it back in there. We're gonna see if it works. So put the screws back in. Get your screws. Remember, one screw go in this hole right here. Make sure you push it on the back side so it won't push out. Okay, we got that one there. We're gonna tighten it up in just a sec. And then this one goes to, again, make sure you push on the back side and tighten these up. I'm gonna grab my 10 and put the last one in. I don't know how good y'all can see, but just bear with me. The thing up there is dark. I'm gonna grab my 10 and tighten it back up. That should be tight enough. But I'm gonna grab my ratchet right here and finish tighten that up. That all the way tight. Find the other one in there. Get that all the way tight. Now let's see who you did it. Bingo! We got my door back, man. It's not that hard to change your own door out. If anybody ever want to change it out, you have to find 3 bolts. Again, for a Tahoe, a 2002 Tahoe in them ranges, you got 1 bolt right here, 1 bolt in here, and there's 1 bolt under here. But you'll be able to see it. Again, just take your time. I ain't took my time because I ain't really observed the door and look. But at the end of the day, I found it. The thing was hiding up on there. And again, it do work. We got it to work. So that's how you change out your door. Well, you got door latch on a 2002 Tahoe, man. If y'all want to see more videos like this, man, stay tuned. Yeah, I really want to color match. I'm talking right now. I really want to color match my door to go with my truck. I keep this black and color match that to the color of the truck. But I need to get my truck fixed. I would need to fix this. I hit my brother's car one day. I think that was Lil's birthday. Don't drink and drive, man. I thought I had it. And I end up, yeah, man, I want to do it again. Drinking ain't good for you kids. Not even kids, for just people in general, man. If you do drink, make sure you have a responsible person behind the wheel. But let me take this up. That's how you change again. That's how you change a door latch on a 2002 Chevy Tahoe. I have more videos like this. I do want to do a couple more days to this truck and fix it up pretty nice, man, to the way I like it. But I'll catch y'all next video, man. Y'all stay tuned for more videos like this, and I love y'all guys, and man, we out.